Wadhi nyime janeno mar Kala TV kama bende wayudo kanyo ni Rigathi Gachagua mano mabende ne en jalup jatend piny Kenya mabende ne othichi oko e apisi ne owuok oko nyadichiel kendo ne usoko wang' piny owacho mano mamalo ka bende wacho kanyo ni migepe duto te mago mabende ntiere Mapachokae otelie kod jogo mago mabende onge kod lony e wi gino kata e wi migao mano mabende gitelie. Rigathi Gachagua ne loso kod jofwamb weche kama bende ne okwayo jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto mar mondo mi ogol oko jatend migao Kipchumba Murkomen e migao mano mabende otelie gie sani kendo chwale nyaka e migao no mano mar tuke kanyono mabende onyalo kelo tugo kaka ohero.
That's where he belongs. This ministry is too serious for such a childish minister. And we ask him, William Ruto, you have been unable to get anything right in this country. In the economy, you have failed. Education, you have failed. Health, you have failed. Investment, you have failed. You can't get anything right, including your own security as a person. That's the question we're asking. We're asking, are Kenyans safe? How can Murkomen guarantee the safety of the ordinary Kenyans if he cannot guarantee the security of his appointing authority? Changes that were made yesterday, shamelessly, they were all from one community where the president comes from. But your tribesmen have let you down. You are so exposed. If you thought they are very loyal and they are the ones you can trust with your security, see what is happening today. They cannot be professional because they have a sense of entitlement. They have only been given duties to guard you because they come from your community. I want to tell William Ruto to think and think again. If he must have suffered their allowances, the DIG, Murkomen, and the immediate escort commander demand half the allowances of these officers for them to be allocated to escort the president. So they are very demoralized and very unhappy people. Even after half of the allowances have been taken, for 4 months they have not received the allowances. So they are very demoralized lot. Murkomen became the CS Interior. This country now is run by goons. You cannot tell the difference between goons and police officers. Goons have taken over the country. They ride in police vehicles. They are even supplied with tear gas. Goons and police have attacked churches. Take Murkomen back to the Ministry of Youth and Sports. There he can do party after party. He can party with the young people. He can wear shoes worth $1 million shillings. He can wear watches worth $500,000 and all those other childish and juvenile behavior that cannot be associated with the Minister for Interior. That is a serious docket. It's a very serious docket that calls for a very serious and somber person.